Hey, car enthusiasts, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to enhance their ride, choosing the perfect intake system for your modified car. Whether you're boosting horsepower or just want that satisfying growl under the hood, the right intake system is key. First up, let's talk about cold air intakes. These are popular because they draw cooler, denser air from outside the engine bay, which can boost performance. Think of it as giving your engine a breath of fresh air. Just be mindful. They can be a bit tricky to install and might require some additional tuning. Next, there's the short ram intake. If you're after a simpler setup with a more aggressive sound, this one's for you. It's easier to install but doesn't offer the same cooling benefits as a cold air intake. Perfect for those who want a quick upgrade without too much hassle. For those serious about performance, consider a ram air intake. This system forces air into the engine at higher speeds, increasing power when you need it most. It's like strapping a turbocharger to your air intake. However, installation can be more complex and it's usually on the pricier side. Now don't forget about the importance of a good air filter. Whether you go for a dry or oiled filter, keeping that air clean is crucial for maintaining engine health. A high-quality filter can make a significant difference in performance and longevity. Finally, always do your research and consider your specific needs. What works for a track car might not be ideal for a daily driver. Check out forums, read reviews, and maybe even talk to a professional before making your decision. So there you have it. A quick guide to picking the best intake system for your modified car. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.